Hello and welcome to another demo of the Solo theme. My name is Ala Haddad and I am the developer of the Solo theme, and today we are going to talk about text animation in the site. So I have text animation. I wanted to give a special attention to two things on the side. On the demo side, actually I have it here. This is the text animation I have. So I give uh, a text animation to the site name and to the page title. And what it is exactly, it's an easy feature accessible from. So for the site name, because the site name usually in the header, I put that feature inside this region. So this is how you pick, and you have 24 named. So this is my local site for this demo, and I'm refreshing the page just to show you there is nothing before I apply. So I'm gonna go now and I pick just any text animation. Click Save and Command Shift R, and here is. And also the same, there are 24 text animation. They can be applied to the site name or to the page title. The page title. This is the page title. So also same thing, the page title inside the region where it says page title. And here is this one. So you could pick anything, and if we Command Shift R, that's the color. So this is this feature. It did exist in the old theme, and I like it, and I think lots of people like it. It gives a special attention to the title or to the site name. And on the demo side also, you feel free to check all the animation if you don't want to just keep trying. So all the animations are here. Carousel, I built a carousel for it, or just scroll like this until you see the one you like, and you could activate. In the same time, beside that, you have in the setting, you could apply it to the site name or to the page title. You can also really apply it to any text, to any HTML tag, because what's happening, I created also classes. So how I have these ones printed in the demo side, if I click inspect, and this is what you really need to do. It doesn't have to be each one, could be paragraph or anything, but this is the class name, and I give you the class name here. So this is exactly what you need. You put it inside the WYSIWYG or any other one when you just an HTML. So this is how you add the class, and then it will be animated. You don't have to even activate or anything the feature, because the classes are uploaded by default. And this is all this feature. I hope you like it, and see you in the next one.